Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth look at the Lenovo ThinkPad L13. Today, we'll assess whether this laptop is reparable and guide you through the disassembly process. To start, gather the following tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a Torx T5 screwdriver. These tools will be vital for safely opening up the device without causing damage. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove any connected peripherals. Now, flip the device over to access the screws on the bottom panel. You'll find a total of 10 screws, 8 Phillips and 2 Torx. Carefully remove these screws, placing them in a magnetic tray for safekeeping. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much pressure. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Once the bottom panel is off, you'll see the internals of the ThinkPad L13. Look for the battery unit, which is typically secured by a few screws. If you need to replace the battery, this is the moment to do it. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make the process easier. Next, let's check the cooling system. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating issues. Use compressed air to clean out any dust from the fan and heatsink. This is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Now, let's examine the RAM slots. The Lenovo ThinkPad L13 typically supports memory upgrades. If you're looking to enhance performance, consider replacing or adding RAM. Simply unclip the memory modules and insert the new ones at an angle, pressing down until they click into place. If you encounter any issues during your repairs or feel uncertain, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's focus on the storage. The L13 usually comes with an M.2 SSD. If you're upgrading or replacing it, locate the M.2 screw, remove it, and gently pull out the SSD. Insert the new SSD at an angle and secure it with the screw. Before reassembling the laptop, double-check all connections. Make sure the battery is properly connected and that no cables are pinched. If you have any concerns, we can provide a quote before repair to help you make informed decisions. To reassemble, simply reverse the disassembly steps. Place the bottom panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace all screws, tightening them securely, but avoid over-tightening, which can strip the threads. Finally, power on the laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. If it doesn't start, revisit your connections or consider reaching out for support. With our service, no calls, no travel, just a simple process to get your device back in working order. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.